Installing a Ring doorbell is super simple. Mount the bracket, run the wires through, connect to the doorbell. Sometimes different rings offer different features. So there's a chime you got to hook up to your box, your mechanical box in your house. Here is a Ring video doorbell. You take your doorbell off. There's 2 wires. You just connect them to the back. Super simple. Clip this on, and set it up through the app, and it's that simple. 2 wires for a video doorbell. Turn the power off, you're supposed to, but there's a Ring camera installed today.